Until today, we know a couple of stabilizers. You remember the flaps on the trim tabs? Those are stabilizers. Yeah, the trim tabs stabilize the boat along the axis, along the key of the boat. The flaps stabilize the boat. But there are other stabilizers, lateral stabilizers. Those are fins. Those are fins, like this, like the second ones. Those are the fins. In this particular case, this is the port side fin, is in good condition, but however, the starboard side was broken. Right now we are going to check the starboard side is in reparation because the captain hit the fin against the ground, the rocks. This particular case, the winglet was broken and is on reparation in this moment. Was removed. The winglet occupied that space. Right now is removed, is in reparation, and you can see in the bottom the shaft of the ram. This is the axis of the gyro, and this is the ball. Normally the gyro is mounted over stringers in the boat. Normally those gyros are installed in the center of the boat. It is possible, it's better in the center of the boat, stem of the boat, close to the transom. Danny, we have a great truck. We have generator, the central hydraulic unit with the reservoir for the hydraulic fluid,
and then your fuel tank for the generator.
Fuel tank for the generator.
It has a hoist.
Oh, and look at the actuator for
actuators to stabilize the truck.
To stabilize the truck.
You get your power.
No, look at the
and your hoist.
The hoist, yeah, wonderful. And look at the cabinets for the tools.
With lights and everything.
Yeah, with lights. This is a nice truck. This is a perfect example of a electro-hydraulic unit. Look at the servo valves.
Yeah.
Look at the servo valves. Look at the actuator. Big actuator, and the other actuator. And the telescopic system.
Yeah, the boom.
The boom. Today we are with Jonathan Capac, an expert in hydraulics, in gyros, in stabilizers. Great job, no?
Yeah, thank you.
How long is this boat?
So right now we're currently on a 40 Intrepid, 2018 40 Intrepid.
Okay, and the idea is install a gyro.
Yes, so this customer gave us a call and he had a gas generator, a 5 kW Western Peak, that was giving him a lot of problems. So he wanted to go with a DC unit because he couldn't figure out how to get the generator working constantly. So we posed the idea like, hey, let's rip that one out. Let's put a 7.5 kW Onan generator, a diesel generator, and then we could put a bigger Seakeeper inside the boat.
Okay, in this moment that Seakeeper is AC.
Yes.
And is with power coming from a new generator. Cummins 7 kilowatts.
7.5.
7.5. Yes. All right, that's good.
Yep.
And is heavy?
The Seakeeper itself,
yeah.
Yes, it's just shy of 800 pounds.
800 pounds. Yeah. How much is the price of this conversion?
So this install cost roughly about $65,000.
65,000 included the gyro.
Yes.
And the new generator.
The generator
is
separate, yes.
Oh, it's another
20
cost.
20 stacks.
Oh,
yeah.
okay, all right. Okay, and in 3 weeks, 3 people working hard. It's a big job, no? It's a big project.
Absolutely.
Okay. Now in this moment, the gyro is on place. What is the next step? What is the hydraulic unit?
So we have a hydraulic manifold on there. So it's all internal. The Seakeeper has no external components.
Everything is internal.
What you see is what you get.
All right.
So on the hydraulic manifold, we have one accumulator to maintain the constant pressure inside the manifold,
Correct.
which is 350 psi. And that manifold relays back to the computer. So when the IMU sends the signal to the computer, then the computer tells the solenoids on the rams to open or close.
Correct. This is a perfect robot. No?
Almost.
Yeah, of course. We have another question, Glenn.
Yeah, it seems like a round ball. What's in there? What a weight? How does it move?
So what's going on is inside that sphere we have a flywheel that spins up to 9,000 RPMs. So the sphere itself is completely sucked down of atmospheric pressure. So atmospheric pressure is measured in torr. So the torr level is about 6 to 9 in there. So what that allows us to do is spin the flywheel faster with little to no resistance. So that's why we're able to put a Seakeeper on such a small boat, because the amp draw is so little.
That amount of amps is good for how many hours?
300 amps will last you almost all day.
All the day. Oh, okay.
That's good.
Oh, it's not.
It's not bad at
excessive.
all.
It's good. It's nice, because if you have a couple of solar panels,
You can maintain.
you stay the day. Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, there's a lot of ways you can switch it up and power the boat. It's really what all the customer wants. Most customers just want the simplest way.
Yeah,
and they want to get their boat.
This is nice for
back in
a
their
small
hands.
boat in Bahamas, dancing all the day.
Yep.
Yeah,
There you
That's
go.
good.
absolutely.
Other important question is, where is the area that you want to install? Or we need check the boat in order to verify if the center of the boat is free.
So it doesn't have to necessarily go in the center of the boat. It could be offset.
Oh, really?
Yep. So that doesn't matter. So with the IMU, when you go to feel that sea state, that roll, the timing may be just off by a fraction.
Oh, this
of a
is
second.
new. You
Something
can
that you-
install a little
I
Something you
can't
probably
believe
wouldn't
you could
recognize.
offset it and
Yeah.
it still levels the boat.
Not only that, you can have it above deck, because I've seen it at the boat shows. They've had one that's above deck, like a console where the seat is, and you have the gyro underneath there as well.
So if we're gonna go do that, we have to ensure that the deck is
The deck can withstand it.
secure.
Yeah.
All right.